How's it going, guys? Today, I'm gonna be changing out the hydraulic cylinder. Actually, I'm gonna take it apart and rebuild it. This one is starting to leak, so this side's dropped down a lot. So we're gonna take it apart and rebuild it. I'll show you how to take these apart or take it off. All you got two bolts, which is an inch and an eighth. You just take these two bolts out. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. And you got 11/16. You got two lines, one on top and one on the bottom. And I'll take this off real quick and then I'll take it up and show you how to tear it apart. I've got a couple more videos on rebuilding these. If you got a Somero S240, the cylinders on the downriggers, the stern cylinders, and these are all pretty much the same diameter. So if you get a rebuild kit, you can get multiple rebuild kits. That way you have enough rebuild kits to do pretty much all your cylinders because they're all the same size. But I'm gonna take this off real quick and then I'll take it up and show you how to tear it apart. Got my nuts right now and take my lines loose. That way it's a little bit easier to do it while it's still bolted on. Because if you wait till you get the bolts out and then you got to try to fight with it and all that, it's just easier to do it while you got it still attached. Just make sure your head's all the way against the floor when you take this off. That way you don't have no down pressure, and that way you don't pull your kit or take a chisel, knock your bolts out and drop and break your leg or something. I don't think this has got no pressure on it right now. It shouldn't. I got it down. Oh, there goes fluid. Rust is in there. I'll put my nut back on it a little bit, that way I can hit it with a hammer and not booger up my threads too bad. I'll get that in a minute. A little bit messy, but it ain't too bad. All right, now we got this off. Now I'll take it up here and I'll show you how to take it apart real quick. Gotta overlook the shop. We got stuff laying everywhere. I haven't made many videos here lately because there ain't been really nothing breaking, luckily. So I'll take this up here and put it in a vise. All right, bear with me for just a second. Let me get my vise set up here. Just knock it back down so it don't keep slipping on me. All right. Before I do that, I'm gonna go over here and strain out the extra fluids in it.